Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and y'all, we're gonna have a PJ party today. Ooh, PJs! Yes, I went to Macy's and bought a ton of stuff, and part of that was PJs. Now, I ordered it online, I didn't actually go to Macy's. But, so we're gonna look at all the stuff PJ wise. I'm gonna break this one up into, because it was a big haul. So I'm gonna break it up into categories. And 2 different videos out of this one haul I did. So today is PJ party day and we're gonna look at the PJs that I bought from Macy's. I will put affiliate links down below to all the products if you like any of them and would like to buy them. I would love it if you would use my links. It does help me out if you do that. Ooh, PJs. I love PJs. I really want to be in PJs right now. We're gonna look at them. Here we go. So here is a sneak peek at the PJs that I bought from the Macy's. Oh, Macy's is so good. I got a matching set. Because you know I can't resist a matching set. And y'all, the prices. Oh my goodness. So I got some of this stuff on sale. I believe maybe they're in Black Friday. They've been sitting around for a while because I just haven't had time to film between me going out of town, hurting my wrist, all of that stuff, having some major headaches, having to go to the doctor for some major headaches, and my wrist, and everything under the sun. Aunt's ended up in hospital. My goodness gracious, things just keep happening. I can't keep up. So, well, they're not as soft as I thought they would be, but they're comfortable. They're kind of a thin PJ pant. Look at the pink tie-dye, though. They're cute. Kind of a wide leg, which I do like. These are the Jenni women's printed wide leg pajama pants created for Macy's. Pink tees, bold tie-dye. They are size large. And I actually paid $12.99 for them. The regular price on here is $29.50. Let me see if they're still on sale. Yes, they're actually still on sale and they come in 3 different colors. So you could get them in a blue tie-dye or you can get them in a leopard print with a taupe. So very cool. Right now, by the way, is December 21st. Just so you know. So they have the tie, like all PJ pants. And they're then more of a, what I would call a summer pant, but I wear year round because I get hot. But they're cute. I think they're adorable. So yeah, what do they say on the inside? There's not a tag here. I do like that too. There is a tag on the side. 60 cotton, 40 rayon. You can wash them, you can dry them, you can iron them. Okay. I'm reading the little hieroglyphics here. So, very cute. I think they're adorable. You might have to be careful about what color you wore under there, but I don't think that would be too big of a problem because they're of the color of them. Super cute. Can't wait to try them on. So here is the top that goes with it. So this is the Jenni women's split neck PJ top created for Macy's in pink tees. How adorable is this with this? I mean, I'm going to try them on together for you, but cute, long sleeve, not too thick, not too thin, adorable. It's ribbed. I love something that's ribbed. Cute little PJ set. I paid $12.99 for this as well, and it does say it's worth $29.50 on the tag. Everything is the same. Machine wash, cold, gentle cycle, tumble dry low, cool iron if needed. Yeah. So I think that's darling. And it's pink. It's cute. This is the Charter Club Cotton Pajama Set created for Macy's. And y'all, these are a little more wintry, but I wanted that for going out of town Christmas. Look at. Aren't they cute? Can y'all see that? They've got little snowies and little penguins on them. Oh my goodness. Too cute. Not the super softest I've ever touched, but decent. V-neck on the top. It says they're $49.50. I paid $16.99. Do you see why I go crazy at Macy's? Because of the deals. You can get such good deals. And they're just a nice little sleep set. Needed some more PJs. I did. So, okay, that's the back. I think they're darling. These are in medieval blue penguin. How is the penguin medieval? I don't know. It's not like they're little knights in shining armor. I know, I'm goofy. These say 100% cotton. Machine wash, cold, gentle cycle with light colors. Only non-chlorine bleach. When needed, tumble dry low. Cool iron when needed. Okay. So easy instructions. Adorable little set. Now this one would have been less expensive because it came as a set as to where the other ones I had to buy individually. But still cute. Still darling. Alright, and here is the last set. This is also by the Charter Club. And look how cute it comes wrapped like a little gift. And these are soft. These are the softest ones. They're normally $59.50. I paid $19.99 for these. Charter Club's women's long sleeve soft knit pajama set created for Macy's. They're in the multi candy cane. So let's just take this off so I can show them to you. I mean, look at the darling. This is super soft. This one might be my favorite because of how soft it is. This is so cute. Look at the Henley type top with the little buttons. The sleeves. Oh my goodness. This is super cute. And look at these PJs with these little candy canes on them, on the pants. They're so cute. They got a wide leg. I love a wide leg PJ pant. These are darling. Oh my goodness. Let's see what the tags say. 96 polyester for spandex. Machine wash, cold, gentle cycle with light colors, only non-chlorine bleach. We need a tumble dry, low, cool iron if needed. Okay, love it. Y'all, these are probably my favorites. Yeah, I just love soft stuff, and these are so soft. This is too cute. I can't wait to try this stuff on and see how they fit. What did y'all think of the PJs from Macy's that I got? Are you ready to go and buy some right now? Because I'm pretty tickled about these. And just keep in mind, I think most of these sets come in different colors. Like the one I just tried on, 2, 4, 6, there's 8 different colors of that. So, and right now it is on sale. Today is December 21st. They're on sale for $18.99. You can even less expensive than I bought them, wasn't it? Yeah, that's $1 better than what I did. Ooh, I kind of want to buy some more of them. And the blue ones, 2, 4, 6, there's 7 different colors of those that you can get. They're on sale right now for $17.99. So 3 sets of PJs. I'm going to try them on. We're going to see which one looks the best. Pick one out, maybe 2, who knows. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Don't forget to press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is free, and I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share with your friends, press the notification bell, and if you want to donate to the channel, there are 2 ways to do that. You can press the super thanks down below, which is like tipping through YouTube, or you can go to buymeacoffee.com, go to Unbox by G, and you will find me there. There is a link below if you just want to click the link. 1 coffee is $1. You buy as many as you want. I thank you so very much for any that you do. Y'all, I'll see you back in a minute. So here is the outfit of the day. I'm wearing these cute little boots. Oh my goodness. I think I got these from Amazon. I am wearing these pants I got from, I'm thinking, Wannable. They're 151. Very nice pants. My top that is too big for me now, I think I'm going to have to get rid of it. It's just too big. Is from Express, and my jacket, I'm kind of thinking I got this off Amazon. I can't remember. Necklace. This one I think is from Mongoose. Oh, gracious. This one is Rocksbox. These were, where were they from? I got them in a subscription box. I'll have to put that down below. Let me change now. This is Max Studio, the jacket, so yeah, I probably did get it off Amazon. Alright, so this top's going to go back for a few reasons. I do like the neckline of it. I think it's cute, but it's too tight on me, as you can see. And the other thing is I noticed it has a pull on the sleeve that caused to flaw all the way through. So yeah, don't love that about it. Don't love this about it. It is definitely showing everything, but it's soft, it's cute. The PJ pants fit fine. Of course, these were separates. I had to buy them as separate, so I could exchange this top if I wanted to. I don't know that I will, but the PJ pants are cute. They're soft. They're comfortable. They're not super, super soft, but they're decent. So, here's PJ outfit number 1. Let's go to number 2. This one is just okay for me. I don't really love the feel of this top. It feels a little on the stiff side when I put it on. It's not as flattering as some I've seen. I mean, it's okay. And the pants also are a little stiffer than some other ones. Not that super soft kind of stuff that I love. But they are super duper cute. I love the little penguins and snowflakes on them. Super cute PJ outfit. Let's go to outfit number 3. So this one is by far the softest. And I kind of think it's the cutest too. Little, what do we call them? Candy canes. It's burgundy. It's cute. They're where I can pull them up over my belly and still long enough for me. It's stretchy. It's nice. This one is probably my favorite, my keeper. I like the neckline. What do y'all think? Alright, which one was your favorite in this Slumber Party Fun PJ sets? Let's do a recap. We're back, y'all. We're having a PJ party. Yay, PJ party. I love PJs, y'all. I live in PJs. When I am not filming or, pretty much filming is when I dress. Otherwise, I'm in my PJs. I am one of those people who does not mind staying in their PJs all day long. And when it gets to be about 4 or 5 o'clock, I am ready to put my PJs back on. And then I can work in my PJs. That's just who I am. I'm a PJ person. I want to be comfortable. And yeah, working on a laptop does not require these clothes. When I'm on film, yes. If I'm going to go leave the house for something, yes. But otherwise, PJs. So, let's see. What do we have? This top, I really was disappointed because it feels so soft. And I think I would have really enjoyed it. I probably would have had to size up at least to an extra large. Maybe to a, well, I don't even know if it went to a double X. Yeah, it does go to a double X. But the problem I have is this pull it has in the fabric, because if it does it here before I have even, before I have even tried it on, that means when Callie sits in my lap and does biscuits, that it'll do it again. So I'm probably going to send this back for sure, and not get another one of it. So this will be returned to the store. These PJ pants, I mean, I could keep them, they bought them separate. So I really, you could wear any top with it. Anything pink, anything black, whatever you wanted to wear. White t-shirt, white tank top, probably what I would do. But I don't know if I'm going to keep them or not. Before I return any of these PJs, I have already told my bestie that she has to look at them first. But I'm kind of on the fence about these. I haven't decided on these yet. But they're comfortable. They're nice. I could keep them. I could really keep them and be content with that. Alright, so this was a set. The top didn't wow me. It was nothing special, but it was a PJ top. It was just a little stiffer than I like. I like them for them to be soft and cozy-wozy. This one was just a little on the stiff side. And the pants were as well. They were just not that super softness that I love, but the pattern is super cute. Up close and far away, which I think is adorable. But if my bestie doesn't want these, I'll probably send them back. Now this set I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna wear this one this weekend at Mama's house for the holidays. I thought it was super cute. It's super festive. I do not care if it has candy canes on it. I'll put them on year round because I like being comfortable. And these are soft and comfortable. So yeah, this I'm gonna keep for sure. I paid 20 bucks. I think that's worth it. I'm seriously thinking about ordering some more in different colors because they come in different colors. Now right now they're $23.80, but there's like a red set and a black night sky set and a natural leopard set and a, what is that, chalky rose I don't know what that means. It looks like little flowers and things. Okay, cute. Oh, that one's got little moons on it. It's cute. You know me, I digress always. But yes, these are the ones I'm going to keep. What do y'all think? Do you think I'm making the right decision? Would you keep any of the others? Do you think I should keep these? I'm kind of thinking about these, but I'll probably just keep this one. I hope y'all enjoyed the PJ party over here at Unboxing Discovery by G. Y'all know what to do if you did. Thumbs up. Thank you so very much for spending part of your day with me. I hope the rest of it is wonderful. Y'all, God bless.